Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 4, English, Unit 6, The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony. So let us begin with the poem The Donkey, written by Margaret S. Russell. So here we start. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I'd find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he'd be the best donkey that ever was born. So, in this poem, the poetess is trying to express and say that if she had a donkey and if the donkey would not work, what would she do with him? She would only give him some hay and some corn to eat. She would never hit the donkey. She would never wallop him. Wallop means to hit. So she would never hit the donkey, but instead give the donkey some hay and corn to eat so that it would become one of the best donkeys that was ever born. Now let's start. I had a little pony. I had a little pony. His name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. She whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. So here the poet tries to say that he had a pony. Now a pony is also a type of a horse, which is a baby horse. So the name of the pony was Dapple Grey. So the poet says that he had lended his pony to a lady for a ride to go for a mile away. But the lady mistreated and ill-treated the animal. She hit him, she lashed him, she beat him with a rope, and she drove him through the mire. A mire is a wet sand or mud, and it is all that soft mud where the horse was almost dirty. And so the poet says that the lady had ill treated the animal so much. Now she has decided that she would never lend her pony to any lady for for a hire or for any type of business that they needed, any for a small ride or anything that any lady wanted her pony, she would never lend it. So now let us do a few new words and their meanings. The first one, donkey, an animal used to carry loads. Second, wallop, to hit very hard. Third, lady, a polite way to call a woman. Fourth, whipped, to beat. Fifth, lent, to give something to someone on rent for some time. Sixth, lashed, beat with a rope. 7, mire, to get stuck in the soft mud. 8th, hire, rent out. So now let us start with few question answers. Your first one, another word for wallop is hit. Would the child hit the donkey? What do you feel? Did the child hit the donkey? Correct. No, he did not. She did not hit the donkey. Instead, she gave the donkey some corn and hay to eat so that it would become one of the best donkeys she ever had. So, your second question is, what would the child give the donkey? And your third question is, there is a picture given to you and you have to say, what is a pony? Is it a baby dog, a baby horse, or a baby cat? So your correct answer is a baby horse. And now let us write the answer for question 1 and 2. So your first question was, would the child hit the donkey? So your answer will be no, the child would not hit the donkey. And your second question was, what would the child give the donkey? Your answer will be, the child would give the donkey some hay and corn. I repeat, the child would give the donkey some hay and corn. The fourth question is, what did the lady do to the pony? And there are options given. Your first one is, she took care of the pony. She whipped and lashed him. She sold the pony. So your correct answer is the option B. She whipped and lashed him. Your fifth question, what did the child decide to do? And your options are A. To lend the pony again to the lady. B. To never lend the pony to the lady again. C. To give the pony to the lady. So here again your answer is option B. To never lend the pony to the lady again. So here we can see a picture of a hut, and it is tied with wood on all the sides. So what do we call it? We call it a stable. So where can we find a stable? We can find a stable in a farm. Now this stable is a place where a horse lives. It is the home of a horse. So mostly we find them in a farm. Your next question is, name all the animals that live in a stable. So your answer is, animals that live in a stable are cow, donkey, horse, etc. I repeat, animals that live in a stable are cow, donkey, horse, etc. Your third question, make two words from stable by removing letters from the beginning. Now the spelling of stable is S-T-A-B-L-E. So from the beginning we need to remove one or two letters and make new two words. So when we remove S from stable, it becomes stable. And when we remove S and T from stable, it becomes able. So the two new words are table, able. So now let us write a paragraph about your pet or an animal you love. A pet is an animal that we can train and keep it at home. So these animals are called pet animals, or we can say they are domestic animals. So now let us begin. A pet animal is an animal which we keep at home. I have a pet rabbit. Its name is Russie. It has a furry white coat, red eyes, and a small burrow for itself. It enjoys eating carrots. So these are few sentences about a pet animal, or even you can write it in your own words about any other animal that you like and you can keep as a pet. So your next question is, fill in the blanks with the words that rhyme with. Rhyme means they are almost sounding the same. For example, the first one, corn, C-O-R-N, corn. So the same rhyming word corn is horn, H-O-R-N, horn. Or you can also write born, B-O-R-N. They are all rhyming with corn. The next one, N-O, no. So rhyming will be so, S-O, so. Next one, mire, M-I-R-E, mire rhymes with hire, H-I-R-E. So we say that they are rhyming words. Here are few lines about a cruel boy. So let us read, and there are few questions based on these lines. The monkey is in a cage. A boy looks at the monkey. he gives it a sweet. The monkey opens the paper. There is a stone inside. The poor monkey is sad. Cruel boy. As we can see in the picture, there is a monkey in the cage. Now, they say that there is a monkey in the cage and a boy is looking at that monkey. So now the boy gives the monkey a sweet to eat, as you can see in the picture. The monkey is trying to open that sweet paper and eat the sweet. But as soon as it opens the sweet paper, he sees that the monkey sees that there is a stone in that paper. So the monkey feels very sad, and this is really a cruel act by the boy. So we say he is a cruel boy. Now we just read those few lines about the cruel boy. Now we need to answer whether these sentences are right or wrong. So the first one is, the monkey is in the forest. Is this right? Where is the monkey? It is in the cage. So this is wrong. The second one, the boy gives the monkey a stone. Is this right? Correct. This is right. The boy gave the monkey a stone wrapped in a chocolate paper. Third, the monkey thinks it is a sweet. Right. The monkey thought that it was a sweet when that boy gave him. So he opened to eat it. So this is also right. The fourth one, the monkey likes sweets. How can you say that the monkey likes sweets? Because he tried to open it and eat it. So we can say that the monkey likes sweets. So this fourth sentence is also correct. And the last one, the monkey is sad. So correct, the monkey was sad. How sad? When he saw that there was a stone in the chocolate paper. So dear children, I hope you have understood. So you need to write these two poems, that is The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony, in your English notebook, and complete the meanings and question answers and any other exercises and in your English notebook in very neat handwriting. And the exercises which can be written in the textbook, please write it in the textbook very neatly. The paragraph on the pet animal can be written in the textbook itself, and the question answers about the stable and where the stable and which animals live in the stable can also be written in your textbook itself. So thank you and have a very nice day.